#11 Weight loss tips that will get you fast results. The right kind of weight loss diet plan. Make no mistake, a good diet plan coupled with physical activity would help you get into calorie deficit and burn excess fat and melt away excess kilos in a matter of just few months. Amp up protein and fiber content. Food high in dietary fiber and protein get digested slowly, keep the blood sugar level stable, and burn more calories too. Reduce stress. Chronic stress not only makes it difficult to lose weight, it encourages buildup of fat around the belly region. Cut the frequency of eating out. You can lose a considerable amount of weight by eating home-cooked food. Still following your old workout regime? Seek professional advice. Give up added sugar. As we have mentioned above, sugar has empty calories that causes inflammation and makes losing weight quite difficult. Replace refined carbs with complex carbs. Carbs have a bad reputation in the weight loss circles due to the common belief that they are fattening in nature and lead to increase of fat storages in the body. However, not all carbs are bad. Keep moving, be active through the day. Just 1 hour in the gym would be of no use if you spend the rest of the day on the couch or at the work desk. Don't deprive yourself of good quality sleep. Getting good quality sleep, and that too for at least 7 to 8 hours, can do wonders for the whole weight loss process. Stay positive. At the end of the day, smile and never give up.